Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use StockTwits for social trading step by step clearly. Start by visiting the StockTwits website or downloading the app. Create an account by providing your email address and a secure password. Confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log into your StockTwits account. Familiarize yourself with the interface, noting the streams and trending topics. Use the search bar to find specific stocks or financial instruments. Follow relevant stocks to receive updates on their activity. Explore the trending stream to see what other traders are discussing. Engage with posts by liking or replying to share your thoughts. Check the messages for sentiment analysis, which shows bullish or bearish trends. Utilize the ideas section to view trade ideas from other users. Analyze user profiles to gauge their trading history. Use the filters to customize your feed based on your interests and trading style. Participate in discussions to build your network and gather insights. Monitor alerts for price changes or significant market events. Consider using the StockTwits mobile app for real-time updates on the go. Continue learning by exploring educational resources and market analysis within the platform. Regularly review your portfolio based on insights gained from community discussions. Develop your own trading strategy by integrating information from StockTwits with your research. Stay active in the community to maintain a pulse on market sentiment and trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.